In this lecture, we are going to focus on how to we create a file in Linux. How to we create, and we are focusing only creating a file and not viewing and not managing file. That is other classes we going to cover. How many ways we create a file? The first one, with the help of touch command, we may create files. Touch and with the help of followed by file name and extension. So it will be creates a file like a touch abc.txt, means this abc text file will be created. Empty text file will be created. And if you want to create a multiple files like a touch, not a single file, single empty file, touch abc1.txt, abc2.txt, so on. So here multiple files, multiple empty files will be created. This is with the help of touch we may create empty files. And one more way also we may create. So here these empty files, how you can write this data? With the help of vi editor, we may edit this text. So this one abc.txt, and it allows to enter the data, right? So next, nano is also there. Nano and echo, it is also allowing for creating files. And with the help of cat, basically cat is using for concatenating the string, concatenating the file, means it can be load entire file and it can be open. With the help of cat command we can view the file, right? So but even also we may create file with the help of cat followed by this operator, overriding operator, and you may create like abc5.txt, and you may enter something and you create a file and it saves some data. What you entered, the data will be saves here, some data. And one more way is also we may create one more way, that is nothing but echo. With the help of echo, basically we are using this echo command to display a line of string on the terminal. It is a commonly used in shell script. Suppose echo hello, what we write that can be visible like output. The same way within the bash command, otherwise shell, we pass variables like first we declared one variable name equal to SRIKANTH, right? So echo my name is $name variable, then it will be loads the SRIKANTH name. The same way we are focusing on creating file echo, and you write some text here and use this operator and you write here file name abc5.txt. so here when you are attaching this one, if file exists, it add lines. If file exists, data will be added the end of the file. Suppose the same way you are using this one, the overriding the text. So the three ways we are going to focus with the lab. We are going to focus on three ways. So here with the help of this IP, we may connect with our instance terminal. These are terminal. I logged in as a three users. Clear. You observe same IP 172.3.1.2.3.96. This is IP. So first of all, I want to create a file. Present working directory Ubuntu list items. So directly within this Ubuntu folder, every file is there. So directories I want to create make a directory mkdir. So files. I want to copy this. So present working directory, home, and I may add this one, file ls. So there is a file directory is there, and again here present working directory, home SRIKANTH, and here I want to create one files directory, 3 different files. So here, so I want to create file tou. So first of all I want to enter cd files directory. Within the files I want to touch abc.txt. the file created, just you observe, only one file. Again you open this touch abc1.txt. so this is under Ubuntu user we create 2 files, abc and abc1. just you observe here, I want to view that cat abc1 abc.txt, sorry, abc.txt, nothing, empty file. With the help of vi editor, it is a possible cat, sorry, vi abc.txt. so insert mode, enter I. so welcome to abc. suppose I want to save, how you can escape and :wq, save and exit. so again you observe cat, previous command cat abc, now it having this is size. With the help of cat command we view that file. With the help of vi editor we edit the text. The same way now I am going to create a file with the cat command. With the help of cat command I am going to create a file. For that I am using SRIKANTH. so cat, there is no files actually within I want to enter files folder, files directory. now we are in SRIKANTH directory, ls-a, nothing is there. so cat, here I am going to create xyz. suppose I am trying to xyz.txt. you observe no such files or directories are there. so right now this present working directory there is no file as a xyz, right? but here cat :xyz.txt, and you entered some text here, you enter data, right? so welcome to SRIKANTH user xyz, enter. so control C, and everything will be there, and the file will be saved actually, cat xyz.txt. now you observe this contain the file. and suppose I am using this vi, with the help of vi also we can edit the text, xyz.txt. so now we are in insert mode, entered text with the help of vi editor, and I want to save this wq and save and exit, and again you open that cat, you observe the text, so we entered, right? This is the text. The next I want to, with the help of echo, what happens we can check this way. so here right now I am in files, I want to change, move to this files directory. No files under this files. I want to create echo welcome to FS with SRIKANTH, and just to observe, and no files created here. Just it is a simple output. Actually it's a simple output. We are not using anything here. Anything we are not using, I mean that we are not saving here. Right now the same command I want to enter this one, zzz.txt file. Now you observe ls, one file is created, xyz. Now I would like to add some text. Echo some text. Entered text is placed at the end of the file if available, and again you observe I can use same existed file name, zzz.txt. You observe again I want to open that cat zzz. So this the file is created, right? File is entered. But now I would like to add something, same command, but I can change the symbol. If the same symbol zzz1, I can suppose I can write zzz1. What happens? Two files are created. Now I can open this cat zzz1. So here the tool, so this available text is there, zzz1 is there. Here I am doing same thing. You see here only one symbol I am using here. What happens? Same file you observe here, cat zzz1 file is, oh right, I want to change. I'll try to do something. New text and enter, and ls. So zzz1 is updated right now. Cat zzz1 is updates. So new text means that if in with the help of echo is also create the file with the help of these two different operators. With this one, if the file is not available, file is not there, not exist, then it creates. If in case exists the file and the entered text is placed at the end of the line, and here when you are using this one symbol, with this symbol the file is not available, it creates. But file is available, then it can rewrite entire code. So in this way we create the files. How many ways? One is with the help of touch, and one more is with the help of cat, and one more way is with the help of echo. We may overwrite, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please share and comment.